Hi everyone, my name is Well, if this is the first time of watching, this is Smoker Family TV. A big name, okay? So, upon the subscribe bell to our channel, you better do so because you may miss many things. Advantage when you subscribe to our channel, what about this? Whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first to get a fast notification. Megan, oh
yeah.
just same the West Guinea.
Oh yeah.
No, na neki grandma. So guys, in this video is all about unboxing Ife with our grandma, my mommy.
And Ife Nigeria.
Yes, Ife Nigeria. Ife's Nigeria, but with my mom, grandma, of your bobo. So guys, stay tuned and let's dive in. So guys, another thing, we still have this parcel, this big parcel here to unbox. This is for Megan and Bobo also, okay, for Chibueze. Keep on watching. Okay, so number one is this. Mommy, get it down, wafer. Mommy, get it down. Yes, akufe. Mana umoke Nigeria. These ones are meant for
My flavor Nigeria.
Okay. Flavor, yeah, both na flavor they use. Yeah, so flavor they use it will okay. So this is for my younger brother. Yeah. Okay.
Even this?
Yeah. This one also is for my brother. This one as well. Nkana banaka. Gane, you know, Kana banaka. Bubu, text tell you go guys. Bubu okay now, miss. Go text tell uncle, yeah? Go see fa. Hey, Bubu. Nothing guys. What to call him talking for? Hey. Chief, Bubu ngwa follow nka. Igba maka Bubu gwapa.
Igbo maka.
Igbo kwen.
Igbo queen.
Again.
Igbo queen.
Bubu na try, okay? We go tanya zero, okay? Bubu atiye dentro. Okay. So, in case you are going to so guys, let me keep on where you did it. Guys, if you jabu there,
I no cool.
you know what you say they unboxing money. I mean, go see what we say here. Only I borrow you we can now watching. Yeah. Okay, before grandma bought this one for her granddaughters, for Megan and Miracle, okay?
And she's
Hey, this one, Cabo ordering for mothers. Ole anya biala ayi bagwa pa anya biala biala pa le mogo boni oto mo ka bia bagwa pe jigo mo ta agata mo college oyoyo ebo dia college oyoyo My mom says that this one is for mothers. That just this is trending right now in Nigeria. Is for mothers. Mothers. Ndine mama. Try this. Guys, you know, this is not my line, but it seems like I tried. How can try? Let order if you do big car where Put a little of this thing. Just imagine. Only this thing can name go down. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Hey, Jesus. Guys, I not walk mbolu. Guys, this is called mbolu. Hey, na ife ha na anyị tu ekele. Okay, your father. Mbolu. Wow, man. This is her blouse as well. I love this blouse. I love it so much. Eyes. Look at me. Mommy, let me. So just wanna unbox this one again. This is for Megan and Bubu. Guys, I ordered this as well because Major just to put their names on their textbooks and their notebook. So guys, I ordered this as well on Shein because I saw them on Amazon, but the prices were so high. So in some back and so Shein can tell you now. Guys, I ordered this because I'll be using this one just to drain to separate how will I put it, chaff now my hair oil, okay? Because before I used to make use of handkerchief, but I think this is the best. Guys, this is pencil curls for me, girl. Though he has like 2 or 3, I'm not why to make out that, but we will use it, okay? Yeah. This is for me. This is for Mama. This is for me. I will try it later. This is for Megan. I ordered this for Megan because of we are so that when this is also for Megan. That is also for Megan. This also is for Megan. Megan, you ordered. So guys, I ordered these trousers for Megan as well because they're so comfy, you know, just for her school stuffs, okay? This is also for Megan. So guys, I ordered this as well. Though Megan, she's still going to try all of them because I'm more panjayable size there, okay? But guys, stay tuned. Can Megan test there, okay?
Like and share.
Thank you.
This is a pepper. And so guys, this is another fiber for school. This is the third fiber. It doesn't have pockets. So guys, this is a felpa that my mommy bought for me to stay at home with it, just for relaxing at home. So guys, this is another felpa. Questa è per scuola. This is my I'm wearing something comfortable and it's like strange because for 4 years I'll be wearing my booster and I'm going to say the story very soon. After the surgery I had in May 2023.
On May.
On May 2023. Bye.
So guys, if you have watched till now, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. Bye bye and stay well.